Hello and welcome to Liz's Easy Living. I am about to show you how to make your own homemade tomato sauce. You can use this in your pastas, on pizza. You can use it as a dipping sauce. I'm gonna take all of these tomatoes and show you what to do. I love me some garlic, so I am also going to roast some garlic and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so in order to roast the garlic properly, all you gotta do is carefully cut off the tops so the garlic is exposed. I'll throw them on this pan here. Listen, I like a lot of garlic. This is probably too much for some people, and I might not use it all in this recipe, but hey, I like garlic. Now what I'm gonna do is drizzle these with some avocado oil or grapeseed oil, and then I'm gonna flip them over because that's what's gonna make them cook better. Now I'm just chopping all of my tomatoes right in half, just like this, and I'm gonna place them on the pan. You don't have to watch me do all of those. Okay, so now we have all of our tomatoes on the pan, and I am going to drizzle them with my grapeseed and or avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you want to, but I find that avocado or grapeseed oil is a better choice for high roasting temperature. Now I'm also going to season my tomatoes with some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and some black pepper. Sometimes I will roast some grape tomatoes too. It just kind of depends on what I have in my kitchen at the time. I just got a bunch of these tomatoes, so I wanted to use them. I also roast zucchini, squash, eggplant sometimes, and I'll just blend them all together, as I'll show you in just a little bit. Okay, I am about to pop these in the oven, let them roast for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see how long it takes. Alrighty, so my tomatoes are nice and roasted. I'm gonna add them to the blender. I actually have some previously roasted zucchini and squash I'm gonna dump in there. I like to try to sneak in as many veggies as possible, so we're gonna throw a handful of this in there too. Throw some more seasonings in there, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some more Italian seasoning. I'm also gonna do just one drop of this oregano oil. It's considered a hot oil, so if it touches your skin, it will burn you. But if you mix it in with something, it will be fine. But you literally only need one drop. I'm also going to add some nutritional yeast. It is a vegan cheese, so it's going to make it a little bit creamy. It has all sorts of good nutrients in it: potassium, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B12, so all good stuff for you. This is about a third cup. We're gonna taste it and see what else we need to put in it. Now some of my garlic is not as roasted as I would like it to be, but it's okay because I like raw garlic too. I am gonna try to get this whole thing in here. After we blend this up, I still have a bunch more tomatoes. Well, we're gonna taste it and see what's happening. But I don't think you're gonna have too much garlic. it up. Add a couple more tomatoes because now I have the room. Okay, let's do a little taste of it. Okay, it's tomatoey, it's garlicky, it's got some, I can taste the Italian seasoning, taste a little bit of the oregano. Not bad at all. Now what I am gonna do is dump some of that out so I can roast the rest, put the rest of the tomatoes in there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. Now I'll end up just mixing them both together. I do like a real nice tomato taste. Just depends. Sometimes I like it a little more creamy. Sometimes I like it a little more tomatoey. You can even add a little bit of olive oil now, or you can add any other veggies you want to sneak in there. Nobody will know. Popping at me. Okay, that definitely made it a little bit more tomatoey. What I'm gonna end up doing is combining these two together, pouring it over some pasta. I like to use red lentil pasta, and then I'll chop up probably some peppers, some onions, maybe even some grape tomatoes, and whatever else, mushrooms, something like that I want to just mix in and have in the pasta for texture. All right, hope y'all try it out. Let me know how it goes, and I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.